Today, we are going to learn about our strengths. Our strengths are what we're uniquely gifted at, talented in, maybe have perspective or motive in. And there are a unique clue from God about who we are, about why we've been created. The Bible says that we have each been uniquely gifted and skilled, and that we have those skills to do good work and for that work to benefit others. All of that is outlined in Corinthians chapter 12 and then also Ephesians chapter 2. So these skills and gifts that we have are unique to who you are, and they matter to you, and they also are used for the world beyond you. And it sounds exactly like our definition of purpose, that stable and general intention to accomplish something that is meaningful to you and consequential to the world beyond you. So you tend to really care about and are passionate about the things that you're good at, the things that you enjoy. So how do you take those skills and abilities, those passions, and place them into an aim or a goal and a purpose that benefits yourself and the world beyond you? Well, today, we're going to look more at these skills that you have, specifically the relational skills that you have, how you relate to others, connect and work with others. We're going to look at your motives in your work. We're motivated by different things and how we work. And we're also going to look at how you work in conflict. So you're going to be working and interacting with people for the rest of your life. You're going to have conflict. It's just a given. How you work in that conflict is really important, that you know yourself and how you connect with others. So today, we are very blessed by Core Strengths, which is a leadership development firm out in California. They have given us the Strength Development Inventory 2.0 to complete as a part of this workshop. And so today you're going to take that assessment and you're going to get an individual report and video that explains more about these areas of your motives, your relational strengths, and then your ways that you work and deal with conflict. So I pray today that with God's help, you can learn more about yourself, your unique skills, and that you can take these things and help you refine more about the direction, the goals, and the aims that you might have in your life for your purpose, and then how you can use them to benefit the world beyond you. So I'm excited for today, and let's get started.